na tayo, please.
Net satisfaction rating. This Senate President Tito Soto. Bahagyang mas mababa sa plus 17 noong Setyembre. Umas naman ang rating ni House Speaker Faustino.
Lagi kang namimiss.
Plus 5 na ito na pasok sa neutral. Nananatili naman plus 5 ang rating ni Chief Justice Alexander Gasmundo na itinuturing na neutral.
Ikaw na nga to.
Si Kamintin.
Stronger, braver, and a bolder heart evangelista ang mapapanood sa pagbabalik ng bagong
Si Kaminti.
Pero bago mabuwang heart na yan, ano kaya siya pinalakas ng mga pagsubok ng buhay? Makichika kay Nelson Gata.
Kakdiri.
Nandun tayo, pero nandun tayo sa real life, the messy life. And that's what life is. Our life can be a mess.
Sa kanyang exclusive interview sa GMA Integrated News, ipinakita ni Heart Evangelista ang kanyang newfound courage na harapin ang itinuturing ng isa sa pinakamadilim na bahagi ng buhay niya. Nitong mga nakaraang buwan, naging masasakit ang mga natatanggap na salita ni Heart sa social media at ang mga ito ay galing sa issue ng politika.
Parang in life, you do go through different kinds of bigat na attention as we get older. When you're in the industry and you fly very close to the sun, you get burned from time to time. But as you know, as you age, you gain wisdom from everything. Tumataas yung immunity. So siguro yun yung sukatan ng kung bakit ako nakatayo now.
Kaya ngayon, sabi ni Heart,
I think I really truly live for myself even more now, which is proudly selfish in a way, because alam ko kung mararating ko yung mga pangarap ko, alam ko kung ipagpapatuloy ko yung pinagtrabuhan ko ng 28 years. Marami pa ako and that for me is just for myself. I feel like I have to really focus on myself, because if there's anything that I showed would be my vulnerability.
Saniro mo.
I cannot put relation or keep
Saan
relationships
nilagay?
intact if I'm
Saan nilagay?
in a state of mind. I really
Ah.
needed to focus on myself. I really needed
Ay,
to
nako.
heal myself and focus on myself, because it's my career and it's my dream. And you know this.
may isang ang pag-iingat.
Ito, wala nang tumulong sa basuran to, oh.
Silver lining of
Ya, kadiri.
my relationship with my mom, talagang bumalik kami sa parang dati. And again, mind you, she was my original momager. I needed that solid backbone to be inserted again.
Buko.
Yes, siya na yung ano ko, comfort blanket.
Ilalahad ni Heart ang iba pang detalye ng mga pinagdadaanan niya ngayon sa bagong season ng kanyang reality show na Heart World.
Isa siyang roller coaster this season, but that's the beauty about a reality show, is that this, you really present what's really happening. And I prepare. And so yeah, you will see this can be interesting for some, can be dangerous for me.
Updated sa Shopee happening.
And the question is,
Ayun na. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Aba ba rito? Pamene SPG. Straight up patabay. Akabay ng gulang. Ay kilala. Maano masusente ba? Nigway, krasan, sexual, or a droga. Nanding ko sa lubaka. Drama. Drama. Sagre! Sagre!
hindi ko mawari ito. Bakit hindi ko para sa akin kapatid?